Hi, George here. I'll be showing you how to get more views on YouTube 2022. These are tricks the top YouTubers know. You can use the exact same techniques and stick around to the end of the video and I'll help you get that 4,000 hours watch time. This video is number 4 in a 5-part mini course, and I'm putting this up on my new channel, HGG Success. You'll find a playlist to all the videos in this course in the description, and I'll be using my main channel, HTG George, for this how-to. I built a YouTube channel up to the top 3% of all channels worldwide, and I've done that by consistently researching the tricks top YouTube channels use. Now's the time to really up your game on the quality of your videos. You should already be making great thumbnails and titles, plus your videos should already have great content, so you need to focus on improving the videos to keep people watching longer. But first, make sure you subscribe, click that bell icon and turn on notices, and hit that like button. Only takes 2 seconds and it really helps my channel out to be shown to a larger audience so I can help more people. And leave a comment saying I subscribed and I'll reply back and give your comment a like and a heart. You need to be using the research tools available to make sure you're creating videos that people really want to see. YouTube serves the viewer, not the content creator, so make sure that your videos are what the audience wants to watch. This can be done by using YouTube search and tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Let's take a look at search first. Go up here and just type in a search term right up here. And I'm just going to back up just a little bit here. So it just says Photoshop Elements. You want to do change. And then what it gives you expands that out and gives you the top options, with the most popular up here going down to the least popular at the bottom. All of these will be good topics to approach. You can get that just from beginning to type in the search and see what your search results are that show up down below. You also can filter your search right here where it says filter. You can go search for what's uploaded in the last hour, day, week, month, or year. I tend to like looking at today and week. The important one, though, is over here on the right-hand side, and that's view count. So if you do a search by this month, and then let's filter this over here by view count. Obviously, not a whole lot was uploaded here for this, so let's just back this up to just Photoshop Elements and see what we get. There we go, and we'll put our filters in again. We'll do it this month so we get a broader range. There we go, this month. And filters again, and view count. And here we go, the most popular videos uploaded for our search term in the last month. Now you'll notice one thing about this is that because on this particular search I have Photoshop and Elements, YouTube considers this 2 words. So I'm also getting results for just Photoshop. The next options you can use are tools such as vidIQ. I have that installed right over here, right-hand side. Or right down below that, we have TubeBuddy right here. They're both great tools. They work a little bit differently from each other. I recommend having both of them. Right now, I'm using the free version of vidIQ, and I have a paid version down here of TubeBuddy because I like their keyword research tool. Let me show you where you can find both of these. Here's vidIQ right there. It's at vidIQ.com. I'll put a link for this in the description. Again, it has a free version, which is great. That's what I'm currently using. There are, of course, some pro versions. Here's your basic version. The pro version is only $7.50 a month. That's very inexpensive. Boost is $40 a month. When you get up to this level, you obviously already have a successful channel and you can afford that. Definitely worth it. And so is Max, which gives you the group coaching. So if you have the income, I would go for these higher end ones, but you can start out with just the free version if you want to. Here's TubeBuddy. They have this advanced keyword research tool right here, which I use all the time when I'm doing research for my videos. Again, another great research tool. And the pricing for TubeBuddy is comparable to the pricing for vidIQ. They have a free version, but I'm going for the star version on mine. Not that expensive on a monthly basis. But all these tools, I think, are well worth it if you really want to have a successful channel. Also, make sure that people enjoy the process of watching your video. If any part seems slow or out of place, either edit that out or refilm it and put it back in again. You can also spice it up with graphics, music, sound effects, things like that. First, start by examining the structure of your video. You make them more entertaining. One way to do this is by adding a story element to the video. People like stories, and they're more likely to stick around till the end if that's going to be completing a story that they become involved in. And as with all great stories, you want to hold on to the resolution or the payoff to the end to keep them watching. Tell people at the start of the video what the video is about, and then tell them to stick around until the end for whatever your payoff is going to be. Ask people to be engaged in your video. You can ask for a comment, but don't just ask. Also give them something to comment with. So if you want to see blank, then type blank in the comments. If you want your channel and videos to be making you more money, then you also need to up your game on ways that you're earning per video. I have a new master course all about how to do that, where I take you step by step and help you focus your channel better for making money, plus how to research making money opportunities, how to create videos that drive sales, how to convert viewers into customers. If all this sounds like something you want to learn about, then click on the link at the top of the description. Another method to improve your watch time is to improve the quality of the video imagery. If you're doing talking head videos, then try adding in more B-roll or film clips to break away from the head to help illustrate talking points to your video. Also try putting in transitions and special effects to make the video more eye-catching. You want to try keeping what's on the screen constantly changing. Don't sit on one image or scene too long. People will get tired and they'll click away. If you have a long section of talking head, then try cutting into a close-up or cutting back out again or doing a shift or something in there, putting in a title, some graphics, something that helps to break up the sameness of the scene and get people to refocus again on what you're talking about. You can also add in some music into the mix. I suggest only using music from the free YouTube audio library to make sure that you're clear of any copyright claims. How much music will depend upon your video's contents. Some videos work well with a background music track, others might only need a little bit of music from time to time in certain spots. Just like music, adding in some sound effects can also spice things up and make the video much more entertaining. But don't go overboard with this, or the video will come off sounding amateurish. But well-placed sound effect stingers can really help a video scene. If you're doing talking head style videos, then work on improving your lighting. Spend more time rehearsing your script so you can deliver it more smoothly. Consider adding in a makeup routine to improve your look. Makeup for being on camera. This applies to men as well. Also, pay more attention to your microphone. Sound is at least 60% of video, so maybe it's time to consider a microphone upgrade. Also, take a look at your existing videos. Can you improve the thumbnail or title on those existing videos? Sometimes that can drive a lot of new views to an older video. Also, making sure that you're suggesting an existing video at the end screen of your new videos. This can drive a ton of traffic to that existing video. And don't forget to include a subscribe button that says subscribe as your video watermark, bottom right-hand corner down there. We talked about this before. And this one step can increase your subscribers by up to 500%. And those subscribers will watch more of your videos, and that means more views. You can also put a video on your channel as a featured video. I have one right here. This is my How to Get Honey in Minecraft video. I'll frequently do this with a video if I want to get that one video more views. Right now, this video is beginning to zero in on that magical 1 million view mark. So I want to get as many views on this one video as possible. And if you're still struggling with getting those 4,000 hours of watch time so you can then monetize your channel, take a look at the video right up here where I'll be showing you specific techniques to get those valuable watch hours.